Donald Trump, who is again elected as the President of United States, is now the first sitting or elected US President to be sentenced as a felon. Still, due to constitutional safeguards provided to the sitting president, he will not severe jail time. He will not serve jail time. Even he will not be punished for his deeds and will be sworn into office once more on January 20, 2025 to begin his second term. Nothing for something. Sentence unprecedented. What could this be? Judge Juan Merchan's judgment before sentencing in the case against Donald Trump was essentially an unconditional discharge. This means Trump would have been convicted for his crime, but by virtue of being elected president, he will be spared from all punitive consequences. The unique circumstances stem from the very fact that the highest office in the United States has this constitutional immunity that keeps the president from facing legal repercussions both during and beyond the term. Had Trump not stood for election for president as he did over the past year, the 34 counts of falsifying business records that found him guilty in May 2024 could have landed him in a 4-year prison term. Stormy Daniels and the hush money case. This case has proven to hinge around illegal payments made to porn actress Stormy Daniels to silence her over disclosing an alleged affair with Trump during the 2016 presidential election. Daniels' testimony in court was very deep regarding the meeting they held in a Nevada hotel, while Trump allegedly attempted to disguise the transaction through falsifying business records and funneling counter payments. And now, despite Trump's attempts to have the case dismissed, the Supreme Court has held that the sentencing should proceed. Despite Trump's attempts to dismiss the case, the Supreme Court ruled that the sentencing could proceed, paving the way for today's judgment. Trump's reaction. Donald Trump did not attend the sentencing in person, appearing virtually instead. Speaking before the court's decision, Trump claimed the proceedings were politically motivated, designed to tarnish his reputation and derail his campaign. He described the expression as a terrible setback for the New York court system, asserting that the charges were an attempt to influence the elections. Judge's statement. Delivering the sentence, Judge Juan Merchan acknowledged the extraordinary nature of the case, stating, "Never before has this court been presented with such a unique and remarkable set of circumstances. The only lawful sentence that permits the entry of a judgment without encroaching on the highest office of the land is an unconditional discharge." The judge emphasized that any harsher penalty would have violated the constitutional immunity of the president, leaving no other legal options. Does presidential immunity serve as a shield for justice or a loophole for those in power?
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.